Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Happy Sunday, happy weekend. I have 2 box challenges that I started last week, and I am going to see what I can do to work through this a little bit more. I need my dry erase for Drew's Happy Mail jail, which I definitely belong in Happy Mail jail. So I believe I have $50 for each box. So we have 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. Perfect. So we do have $50. That's in the shot. That's glare. Okay. So this is from Drew at Ready Budget Go. It is a box challenge that he created. On the back of each page is a placeholder, which I think is pretty cool. So I am going to, let's see. It's an active morning here. I've got laundry going. All right, so let's get our stuff out of here. Ooh, these are the cards I can shuffle. This is the shuffle break. That wasn't very good. I got excited and then I messed up. One more. Okay. We are going to call that good. So I've got my Happy Mail gel, and they're professionally printed, so they feel really nice. And then we've got our little mail trucks. Not ambulances that I keep calling them because my bad. Dice tower ready if we need it. All right, so let's just jump in. All right, we've got a mailbox. So is this, are we alibi? This looks like a mugshot. Yep, mugshot down here. So we have 2, 3, or 4. So let's do the $4. I'm trying to do the higher ones first. And I'm just coloring in the circle with my dry erase. All right, so let's put you here. And then 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, next card. I hear puppies behind me. Is this the alibi? Are we at the aquarium? Yes, we are. I love it. Oh, that's so funny. All right, so $3 going into here. Guess I should let that dry a little bit more. So we do have money in here, so it's only $1, so we need 3. So 1, 2, and 3. And put this in here. All right, next card. Evidence. All right, so let's look for the envelope. All right, so which one? It looks like this one with the little spyglass. And the fun part about it is we don't really need to mark it off. We just find it so we know which envelope, and then we mark off the card. The only time we would mark it off in here is when we finished this card. So we don't have to take it out. It's just kind of a cool way of doing it. All right, so $5 there. What do we have in here? Oh, do we have $5? We do. All right, so I can put 5 and grab our 110. That's cool. Okay, next card. Oh, are we alibis again? So we're at school. Yep. There we are. So let's do the 4. This is such a fun box challenge. Okay, so we need 4 in here. So I do have $1, so I can put $1 back and grab a 5. All right, next card. Oh, play for parole. We rolled 2 D6 dice. So we need to go to play for parole. I want the mail truck race. Okay. Roll 2d6 dice. If you roll doubles, put a check mark next to the doubles you rolled and save $5. If you roll anything other than doubles, or if you roll doubles that has already been checked off, save $1. Return this card to the deck until parole has been granted. All doubles checked off. 5 and 1. So that's $1. It is not doubles, so we save $1. All right, next card. All right. Oh my gosh, I just saw the mailbox at the beach. Oh my gosh, that's hilarious. Okay, so mug shots. This one? Yes. So we already did 3, so we're gonna do $2 today. All right. So let's take $2 and grab a 5. Perfect. Next card. All right, let's see. Are we getting visitation? What's happening? Locations, which looks like the visitation room. So we've already done 4, so let's do 2. Test. Okay, I just panicked again. That I keep panicking for no reason, I think. Okay. So $2. So 1 and 2 into locations. All right, next card. Prison mail, unit B. All right, so this must be locations too. Yep, so we're right here. So let's do the 4. Knock out the higher ones. Right. So let's see. Grab a 1, take a 5. All right, next card. Oh, alibis. We're at the movies. All right, that is 5 for the highest one, so we'll go ahead and do that. All right. That's our last 5. All right, next card. Play warrant or confession. Roll 2d6 dice and write the numbers rolled at the total for that line. Let's go to our little game here. Okay. Roll 2d6 dice and write the numbers rolled and the total for that line. All right, 6 and 5. 6 and 5, so that's 11. If the total is 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, save the amount and return this card to the deck. If the total is 2, 3, 4, 10, 11, or 12, save that amount and retire this card. You have an arrest warrant. If you play 6 times and do not roll a 2, 3, retire this card. So it says I can retire the card. I don't know if I have $11. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. But we just started. All right, I need you to dry. All right, next card. We have some evidence. Yes. All right, so we are on a desk. So we're the one in the middle. Let's see what we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I can... Jake, what are you doing, buddy? Somebody wants more breakfast, apparently. Okay. Hi, buddy. I'm busy at the moment. Go see Daddy. All right, so we can put $5 with this card. All right, do I try to go again with $3? Oh, it does have a 3. Oh my God, it's the one on vacation. That's our alibi. Oh my gosh. All right, so I can finish this up with $3. So that worked out perfect. All right. So let's put this in here. Okay, so we still didn't get to the mail truck game, which is a tad disappointing. Okay, so that is that. So let's put, we got through a lot of cards today. That's pretty cool. All right.
You want more food?
So let's see. You know those dogs that have the buttons? I feel like if Jake had buttons, we would have full-on conversations. But we did, in all honesty, try to get the buttons and have him do it, but he wouldn't do it. He's probably like, you don't need to know what I'm thinking. Okay. One more for fun. Nice. Okay. Cards in there. All good to go. All right, so that is Happy Mail Jail from Drew at Ready Budget Go. I will have this one linked along with the next one that I'm doing, which is from Becca Budget 777. We are going to work on our little medical savings box. And this should also be $50. But we need, I learned my lesson last time, we need an actual marker. And I think I'm going to do my navy blue, because I had to go back through and remark everything and clean it up, because when I used the click art, it just smeared everywhere, because I am using matte lamination. Not sure why, I guess just for glare purposes. Okay, so we have 10, 15, 25, 35, 40, 41, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. All right, let's get our little tiny baby itty bitty cards out. They are so adorable. And I think I got all of them marked off correctly. When I went back to redo it, I had to watch the video a few times to make sure. All right, so let's just, all right, mix it up a little bit more. First card. We have roll and save. Okay, is there a little roll and save spot back here? Okay, I'm just gonna look for this little adorable icon, which kind of looks like an ice pack. Here it is, baby unit. I guess I don't know what that is, but we're gonna roll and save, and this card is done. So let's roll a cotton candy D6. We got a 5. So I can take this 5, put it back and grab a 10. So I got rid of my 10, which is kind of cool. I'll just leave that there. All right, next card. Search and save. That's one of the temperature ear thingamajiggers. Thermometers. Here we go. What brings you in today? So we have 1 or 11. Okay. I think I'm just going to do both, and I'm going to do $12. And we'll just be done with that card. 5, 10, 11, and 12. Next card. Search and save a little adorable clipboard. So that's on the next page. Okay. The little clipboard. We have 6 or 1. I might do the same since it has a 1 on there. So I'll do 7 here. This might be a quick little box challenge today. So we have 5, 6, and 7. All right, next card. All right, we have the ice pack. We already did one of them. ice pack. All right, so this one is $3, but we have some bonuses. So let's do 3 plus the 4. So we'll put 7 in here, and I won't cross it off here. And we'll just put that in there and let that dry. All right, next card. Oh, the wheelie liquid thing. All right, same with this one. I'm going to do 4 and 3, not cross that one off. So that's another 7, 5, 6, and 7. So that will stay in. Let's cut the deck. All right, roll and save. It's another little thermometer, so maybe the kids unit again? Yes. So we're gonna roll and save and add 2. So this will be done. Let's do a D4 then. I'll do my cotton candy D4, which this does come in a set, the D6 and the D4, and the D5 is sold separately, at least for now. All right, so we have 3 and then add 2, so that would be $5. Okay. Maybe a bottle. All right. Ooh, got a lot of things here. All right, so let's do a D5 or D4, which is 3 plus. All right, we're gonna stop here. We're gonna do the 3 plus the 4 and put in $7, and I'm not gonna mark off that little guy, and we'll do that again. And I have exactly $7. Quick little game with this one. All right, so let's go to the front and put stuff away. So we did add money into this one. What brings you in today? We did add money to that one. And then baby unit, added a few things. And then I think that was it. Yes, so then we will put our little cards in here. We did finish, it looks like 4 cards, which is a lot compared to however many are in here. Yeah, we finished 4 cards today. Very, very cool. So this one is from Becca Budget 777. I will have it linked. It's on her Etsy. I love it. Even cutting out the little cards, I didn't mind. So I am not going to do my 1-2 binder today. I'm just going to stick with the box challenges. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great rest of your weekend. And until next time, take care. Bye.